Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to another episode of Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things tech. Today, we have something that's an absolute must-have for anyone who relies on memory cards for their monitoring devices. We're talking about the Samsung Pro Endurance 256GB MicroSDXC Memory Card. Stick around because this memory card is designed to endure extreme conditions and is perfect for those critical recordings. Let's dive right in. Ladies and gentlemen, meet the Samsung Pro Endurance 256GB MicroSDXC Memory Card. This little powerhouse is engineered for one thing: endurance. Whether you're using it in CCTV, dash cams, or body cams, this memory card is designed to capture your crucial moments in high resolution, even in the harshest conditions. Let's talk about endurance. The Pro Endurance is built to last up to a staggering 140,000 hours of recording. That's over 16 years of non-stop recording. And with a warranty of up to 5 years, you can trust that your data is in safe hands. We all know how important it is to capture those critical moments in high resolution. The Pro Endurance simplifies large file transfers with read-write speeds of up to 1/140th of a megabyte per second. Whether you're recording in full HD or jaw-dropping 4K, this memory card ensures that every detail is documented when it matters most. This memory card is a true survivor. It stands up to real-world situations, from severe weather to extensive wear and tear. After rigorous testing, it proves its resilience against magnets, X-rays, water, drops, wear and tear, and it even stays cool under pressure with operating temperatures ranging from -25°C to 85°C. Now, you might be wondering, where can I put this memory card to good use? Well, whether you're a professional in need of reliable surveillance storage or just someone who values peace of mind on the road, the Pro Endurance has you covered. The Pro Endurance comes in various capacity models, from 32GB to a whopping 256GB. So, whether you need ample storage for your dashcam footage or a reliable companion for your body cam, there's a model that fits your needs. To sum it up, the Samsung Pro Endurance 256GB MicroSDXC Memory Card is the perfect choice for anyone who values reliability, durability, and peace of mind when it comes to their critical recordings. Whether you're a professional in surveillance or simply want to ensure your important moments are safely stored, this memory card has you covered. If you found this review helpful, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights. Got any questions or thoughts about the Pro Endurance memory card? Feel free to share them in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, where we explore the coolest tech gear out there. Until next time, keep your memories safe and your tech game strong.